Hi friends, welcome to our channel MechWaves. In this video, we are going to see the procedure for drawing an ellipse by using parallelogram method. So this method is also similar to oblong method, which I have did a video in the previous one. So in this method, the question will be asked like this: construct an ellipse taking major axis as 140 mm and minor axis as 100 mm and included angle of 75 degrees. So in this question, so in this method you will be having an extra one, that is an included angle. Included angle will be given and also the major axis and minor axis. So the first step you have to do is draw a horizontal line AB with 140 mm. So this is the horizontal line AB of 140 mm. The second thing you have to do is, so here we have an included angle. So in the question it is given the included angle of 75 degrees. Now from A, take a protractor and draw an included angle, so that is 75 degrees. So mark a point here. From A, the minor axis given, so it is given as 100 mm. So draw 100 mm minor axis with the included angle. So with this two, construct a parallelogram. Construct a parallelogram like this: A, B, C, D and the midpoints of A, B, C, D as E, F, G and H. So this is the parallelogram. So AB is the major axis and BC, AD are the minor axis. AB and DC are the major axis, and from the midpoints join the horizontal line and a draw a horizontal line and a vertical line. This next step you have to do is divide HD into equal number of divisions. So it can be 3, 4 or 5, that is up to you. Divide HD into equal number of divisions. Here I am dividing it into 4 equal parts, and also divide HO into the same number of equal divisions. So HD, the number of divisions on HD and the number of divisions on HO should be equal. If this is 5, this should be also 5. So here I have divided HD line into 4 equal parts. So I am dividing HO into 4 equal parts. So this equal division, so you have to use equal division method for this. So I have did a video on equal division method. If you want, you can watch that. I will place the link in the description box. Now join G and 3. Also draw a line from G to point 2 and also draw a line from G to first point. The next step, draw a line from E which should pass the first point and the first line, and again draw a line from E, it should pass to the second point and it should touch the second line, and draw a line from E which should pass to third point and the third line, like this. Name the points as P1, P2, P3. The same procedure should be done for all these 3 parts. Now join G1, G2, G and 3. Again, from E, draw a line passing through first point and it should touch the first line. Draw a line from E passing through point 2 and touch the second line, and draw a line passing through third point and it should touch the third line. Mark it as P4, P5 and P6. So for the remaining two parts we'll use a different method which is much simpler than this. So just draw vertical lines which should be parallel to BC line. So this is BC, this is inclined line of 75 degrees. Draw vertical lines parallel to BC such that these vertical lines are also of 75 degrees. So this is the intersecting point P6. Draw a vertical line from P6 and also draw a vertical line from P5 and also a vertical line from P4. In the same way, draw a vertical line from P3, from P2 and P1. Now take a compass and from this is the major axis HF line. So from this HF line take the distance of P6 and mark it on the vertical line, and also the distance of P5 and P4 and also here take the distance of P3 from the horizontal line and P2 mark it on the vertical line, and also P1. Now name the points P8, P9, P10, P11, P12, sorry P11, sorry P7, P8, P9, P10, P11 and P12. Now join this curve. Join all the points. So from you should start the curve from H. So the curve should touch H, G, F and E. So start the curve from H, joining all the points. So first initially draw it with the H pencil, and after that you can highlight it. By joining all these points P1, P2 and P3 and so on up to P12, I got the curve like this. So this curve is also in the inclined position. So in this procedure you can draw an ellipse like this, and the thing should be noted here is all the construction work should be very light and the only ellipse should be highlighted. So draw this ellipse with the HB pencil. The remaining all the construction work should be drawn with the H pencil, that should be very light. This is the procedure for drawing an ellipse by using parallelogram method. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.